Hello, you wonderful souls. Today I want to share you a deeply personal story. How I went from feeling completely burned out to rediscovering my creativity and passion through music. So 2024 was a challenging year for me. After years of creating and always giving, I felt completely drained. My body was in pain with arthritis and chronic exhaustion, and I felt disconnected from music that I always had been a sanctuary. It was like I lost my voice, my breath, everything. But then this beautiful instrument came accidentally back to me in my life. And the handpan always been more than an instrument for me. It's been a tool for healing, a mirror for my soul. And when I started playing it again, something shifted. I remembered why I fell in love with music, not for the performance or for the perfection, but for healing and connection it brings. And that is where my journey is back again. I started writing a new book. I already made a book blending the ukulele and flamenco with music therapy techniques, but now it feels like I'm weaving all the pieces of my life together into something new and exciting. So my journey isn't just about music, it's about reconnecting with myself, and I love for you to join me to see how music can heal, inspire and transform. So together, let's discover what makes us